In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an iMessage Memoji profile on your iPhone or iPad. This step-by-step guide will help you personalize your Messages app with a unique and fun Memoji that represents you. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Messages app. To do this, head over to your settings and then find the section labeled Apps. Once there, locate and tap on Messages. This is where the customization begins and where you'll have the opportunity to make iMessage truly your own. Next, you'll see an option labeled Share Name and Photo. Go ahead and tap on that. This section controls how your profile appears to others when you're messaging. It's a small but personalized touch that makes your interactions more lively and engaging. Now you'll want to click on the Edit option followed by the plus button. This action takes you to the heart of the customization process. At this point, you're beginning to set the groundwork for choosing that perfect image that speaks to your style and personality. When prompted, select Memoji as your photo type. Choosing Memoji means selecting a vibrant and animated avatar that's distinctively you. These personalized and playful avatars are perfect for showcasing your individuality. Now comes the fun part, creating your Memoji. Tap on New Memoji, which is represented by a plus icon. Here you're going to start bringing your virtual self to life. You will be asked to customize various features such as skin tone, hairstyle, eye color, head shape, and even accessories. Spend some time experimenting with different combinations to see what looks like the best representation of you. This customization process is where you can let your creativity shine. When you're satisfied with how your Memoji looks, tap Done. This saves your newly created animated self, so you'll always have it handy for future messaging fun. The next step involves adding some final touches. Choose a pose that you'd like your Memoji to display. You can also select a background color that complements the look and feel of your Memoji profile picture. These choices add a further layer of personalization, ensuring that your Memoji reflects not just how you look but also your unique style. Once you've made your selections, tap Done again to finalize everything. This action completes the setup of your Memoji profile picture, seamlessly integrating it into your iMessage experience. Finally, you'll have the option to decide how you want to share your name and photo. You can choose to automatically share it with your contacts, or if you prefer, be prompted each time before sharing. This way you maintain control over who can see your personalized Memoji and when. And there you have it, you've successfully created a custom Memoji profile on iMessage, adding a touch of personality and fun to all your conversations. Enjoy showing off your new Memoji, and happy messaging.